I didn't want to work out. I didn't want to put down dessert or not eat all my cheese tacos. it's it just wasn't, I didn't want to do it. But when I wanted to play guitar, man, I would sit there for 4 hours working on scales, learning how to read music, learning how to play things that were just so freaking difficult. I remember not eating. I remember passing up so many good times with friends just so I could sit and play this guitar and make it happen, make it work. So I look back on that, and the things that got me through that, I'm like, well, how was I disciplined with that? But I was never disciplined with, working out. Why couldn't I wake up and do some stretches for 10 minutes? Why? And the reason for that, listen, man, it's because I was constantly fighting the person in my head telling me to not do it. Wait another day. It's cool, man. We'll just chill out today. We'll chill out today. Tomorrow we'll eat all the vegetables. Tomorrow we'll do all the push-ups. So it was a fight. It was a battle. And the longer I waited for that other voice to go away, it got stronger and stronger and stronger. And before I knew it, man, I wasn't doing anything. I wasn't doing anything. And I know you're there. When I started doing personal development, man, I went down this road of no discipline at all. And it drove me nuts because, look, man, it's so easy to have strict, just discipline with things you love doing. Like, you wind up in this hole of watching porn, playing video games, not doing, sitting on your couch, watching TV. Nothing. I wouldn't read. I wouldn't write. I got to the point where I wasn't even doing things I love, like playing guitar. To be the most disciplined person is to take that part of you and integrate it into your disciplinary tactics. So what do I mean by that? Say you have a workout to do, and there's that part of you saying, you don't need to do it today. You don't have to. All those defeating thoughts, limiting beliefs, all that, we know. How do you get over that? You simply ask it why it's saying that. That's it. Instead of fighting it and pushing it away and trying to battle it, accept it as a part of you. Just accept that it's there. And then through this acceptance, you can begin to question it. Say, why would you say that? Why do you think that I shouldn't work out today? And just listen to what it says. And I know that you're going to think, oh my God, I'm freaking crazy. I'm schizophrenic or some shit. No. We all have that in our heads. We all have that chatter. It's okay to integrate it into a part of you because it is. Don't fight it. The more resistance that you put up, the harder it's going to get. And this correlates to so many things, man. This all comes with, just like I said, acceptance. And it'll go something like this. Why should I not work out today? Well, because we can do it tomorrow. Well, because it's fine. We'll make the gains later. It's not that big of a deal. We don't have to do this. All that stupid shit. And then just say, well, that doesn't sound right. I don't think I'm going to do that. That right there puts you in power and control of your own life. That's the place you want to be. That's where true discipline happens and true progress can be made. When I made that switch, man, I started to put it with other things in my life. Whenever, an external thing would happen to me, like, maybe somebody in public, somebody I know, and I meet them and I feel resistance, instead of tackling that as its resistance, I accept the resistance and come at it from a neutral, non-judgmental place. Meditation helps greatly with this. That's why I preach it so much. When you learn to separate and become aware, nothing can f with you. Nothing. Women can't. People in public can't. Your finances, your health cannot. Acceptance is the only path to true discipline. When you start doing this, I promise you it's gonna feel weird. And you're gonna be like, this isn't working. This is not the true way. Question that as well. And just simply disagree with it. And go do the thing. This is what got me to eat healthy every single damn day, to work out in some way every single damn day. This is how you begin to do the hard things that you don't want to do. Because you do want to do them. You know that you should, but you're just simply creating this resistance with that part of you that is giving you all the reasoning why you shouldn't. It's okay. It's okay, little boy. We'll stay comfortable. Get out of that. And this is exactly the path to do it. Acceptance, my friend.